Alright, welcome back to another video on building multi-purpose Laravel and Livewire application. So in this video we'll be implementing time picker. Previously we already integrated date picker over here. So let's get started with implementing the time picker. So first of all, let's change the icon over here. So let me go to create appointment form .blade.php file, and over here let's change calendar icon to clock icon. So we don't need this, so let me refresh it, and perfect. Now if I click over this icon and it is showing date picker instead of showing time picker. So let's fix this. So to fix this, let me go to app.blade.php file, see the main layout file. So we have already added the logic for date picker. So the time picker is also same. So let me copy this section from here and paste it over here. So instead of appointment date, let's change this to appointment time, and for time picker we need to format to LT. Okay, so now let me refresh the page again and click over here. Perfect, we see the time picker. Okay, now let me go to create appointment form component class, and let me dump this state. So now if I change over here and click on save, nothing is saved. So let's fix this. So to fix this, first let me go to app.blade.php file, and we already have the code for date picker. So let me copy it and paste it over here, and find the element with the ID of appointment time and on change event of daytime picker. Let's do let time equals this, and the data attribute name is appointment time. So we need to create the data attribute. So let's go to create appointment form, and over here let's do data appointment time equals to this. Okay, and eval this time. Yes, execute that code and set the proxy to state the time to the current value of appointment time input. Okay, so let's create this ID as well. Over here, let's define an ID and appointment time input. Okay, perfect. So now everything looks good. So let me refresh the page, and over here when we are clicking, it is not displaying properly. So this is because of wire ignore. So we need to use wire ignore to ignore the DOM changes. So let me go to create appointment form.blade.php file, and let's do wire ignore over here, and let me refresh it, and we don't see that issue. Okay, now if we change this and click on save, yeah, the time is available, so that input is available. So if we change the date and time and click on save, yeah, perfect, everything is working perfectly fine. So now the thing is to save it to the database. So we don't need this, so let me remove it, and we need to discuss that to date time. Okay, so let me go to appointment, as we are casting the date to date time, so let's cast time to date time as well. Okay, now let me go to database, and we don't have any, we have the previous data. So if I do changes, so let's do the change and click on save. It seems like the data is saved to our database. So let's see if it is saved. Yeah, perfect, 16:57 PM. So if we change it to AM and let's change this and click on save. Next, data should be added to the database. Yes, perfect. So this is the way how I implement time picker, Bootstrap time picker. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, as I will be uploading the videos like this. Till then, have a great time and I will see you in the next video.